Sobrang naging madali yung proseso ko sa pag-market research and data analysis dahil sa Excel add-in na to, no? And sobrang na-excite ako kaya ngayon araw-araw ko na siyang ginagamit. And sa video na to, I will show you one example and I will show you how to use it. So let's quickly go to Excel and I will show you how. So guys, so let's say for example, gusto mong gumawa ng table for a customer service rating, no? And we have one example here ng request. Write me 10 random positive and negative feedback about customer service for Amazon with customer name and rating. Now, all you have to do is type in ai.table and then yung prompt, syempre ito, click mo lang yan or pwede mong i-type rin actually by using double quote. For me, for this video, ito lang muna. Click lang natin yan and then enter. And that's it. In a few seconds, it will give you the results. Diba? Sobrang bilis. Again guys, random lang ito. Depende pa rin yan sa gusto nyong data analysis and market research. No? Marami pang ibang functions tulad ng AI.ask which will give you answers on your formulas and scripts. Translate, itong table na gawa na natin. Itong translate will translate languages. Extract will extract words, text, emails, names, and other text na makikita niya sa isang cell. And then format ng table, and marami pang iba, no? So guys, by the way, ang tawag sa Excel add-in na to ay ChatGPT for Excel. So alam naman ng lahat ng alam ng lahat yung ChatGPT syempre. So ang kagandahan lang dito is you don't have to go out of Excel and then do Alt Tab. So andito na siya sa Excel, no. Now let me show you how to add this in Excel. All you have to do is click on Home and then click on Add-ins. Dito sa add-ins sa baba, click on More Add-ins and then go to Store, type in just type ChatGPT for Excel. Click on search. And then, tandaan nyo itong logo nito guys, GPT for Excel or GPT. Then, click on add, automatic lalabas na yung logo na yan dito sa tabi lang ng add-ins nyo. Guys, as simple as that, no? So, libre po ito, pero limited lang to 100 calls or kumbaga 100 requests. And I am pretty sure magkukulang yan. So, if you want to avail more of AI requests and other functions, you can actually subscribe to this add-in by clicking See Plans dito sa baba, dito sa home, tapos meron dito sa baba, click on See Plans. They offer 10, 8, $17. Syempre, depende sa requirements mo, no? And what's good actually is I have partnered with ChatGPT. Yes, I have partnered with their company and I will give you a discount code para may 20% discount kayo upon subscription. So just use the code SheetsFreak20. Ilalagay ko yan sa subscription sa description and sa comment sa baba. So just use this code para may discount kayo. So ayun lang guys, no. So if you like this video, please follow, like, and share, and see you guys again soon. Bye bye.